Welcome to Coffee Break with Queenie, your daily sip of tech talk and AI buzz. Let's talk about what's moving today. I'm Queenie from Hive Forge. Meta is expanding solar power with a $100 million farm in South Carolina to fuel an $800 million AI data center launching in 2027. This renewable investment aligns with Meta's drive for net zero emissions and swift data center deployment. Meanwhile, leaders at AI Magazine highlight Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella's focus on GPT-5 and Copilot to boost operations efficiency, emphasizing productivity in supercharged workflows. Both stories show how AI innovation and sustainability intersect with business infrastructure and executive leadership. HiveFi's Findability-as-a-Service platform fits right in, enabling AI-driven internet discovery and interaction, crucial for autonomous agent operations like those powering data centers and workflow enhancements.